of course, we got to check in with the weather. Brad, I noticed, I mean, it's not scientific. I felt like at 4 o'clock it was bright and sunny behind Fred, and now it's like a lot more cloudy.
Yeah. Those clouds have moved in fairly quickly. The good news is there's not a lot of rain near Fred, so we've seen some showers and storms out there, but the humidity has been sky high today. We're going to start with the 7-day forecast because it's going to tell you the story this week. Temperatures tomorrow won't be bad, mid-80s, maybe slightly cooler than today, but look what happens later this week as temperatures are going to climb into the not only the low 90s, but likely the mid-90s for the first time this season. So tomorrow's forecast, actually probably the best day of the week because it's going to be in the low to mid 80s under sunny skies. But here's the thing, the dew points are relatively low, so it's not super muggy tomorrow. So tomorrow's a day, if you want to get outside, that's a day I would be doing something outside. We still have some scattered storms out there, and we do have some severe weather in parts of the Carolinas. Severe thunderstorm watch for Anson, Stanley, Richmond counties until 9 p.m. tonight. It might actually expire earlier because the storms are moving fairly quickly. We've had some isolated storms here, some showers down towards Lake Wylie. This was actually a stronger thunderstorm earlier today. Another little cluster, southern parts of Union County, northern Lancaster and Chesterfield County, and then up towards the Kannapolis area, those showers pushing off to the east fairly quickly. I'll show you the storm track here. You can see that line of showers and storms ahead of a weak cold front, so they're really scattered. The story behind it, it's not necessarily cooler, but it is much drier air that's filtering in, and skies will clear out later this evening once that front completely pushes through the area. Now, severe weather risk today, relatively low for our area. Next couple of days, we'll see the severe weather risk shift to the northwest, but I'll watch on Wednesday into Thursday. We might see a few storms make a run at the North Carolina mountains as we see another front pass to the north. But the story the rest of the week is going to be the building heat wave because we're going to see southwesterly flow, big ridge of high pressure in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, something that's more reminiscent of mid to late summer, not May. Now, it's not unheard of to see temperatures near 90 here in the month of May. In fact, this is the week we typically see our first one, but to see mid 90s and for several days in a row, that is a little unheard of. Tonight, showers and storms exit. We will dry out. We need the rain. I was hoping we'd see much better rain chances over the last couple of days, but they've been so scattered. Your lawns, your gardens, your plants, they're going to need some help from you the next couple of days because these temperatures are going to be soaring back into the mid 90s. You see the 90s there for the middle of the week, and what happens is the heat wave really cranks up Thursday into Friday because that heat dome is going to be building over the south, and it's going to be expanding over the Carolinas as the jet stream is going to retreat pretty far to the north as we go through the week. So that heat will extend into the Carolinas, and we won't be the only ones. Everybody across the south will start to see some big time heat move in. And when you have these big heat domes sitting over you, you tend to not see a whole lot of rainfall. In fact, the rainfall this week is going to be pretty sparse at best. So over the next several days, starting Thursday, Friday, Saturday, those will be the days that we have the highest chance of either breaking or tying a record high. Just goes to show you how hot this is. This is not normal for this time of the year to see temperatures shooting that high up. But there is a little bit of good news in that 7-day forecast. Once we get over the hump of the heat here mid to late week, there are signs of cooler weather for the start of next week, maybe highs back in the 70s.
Oh, now that sounds good.